In this color wheel, you only see the primary colors and the secondary colors. The primary colors, as you know, are red, blue, and yellow. The secondary colors are made by mixing the primary colors together, two at a time. The secondary colors are orange, violet, which is also called purple, and green. Here's another version of the basic color wheel. Let's look. Blue plus yellow is green, blue plus red is purple, and yellow plus red is orange. Did you notice how the secondary colors fall right in between the two primary colors that make them? Here is a picture that represents a prism. A prism is used to separate light so that we can see a rainbow. This is how rainbows that we see in the clouds are formed. The water droplets act as a prism and separate the light, making the colors visible to our eyes. We're going to make a sculpture out of boxes that we fold from a piece of poster board. The poster board has a template copied onto it. Everyone will be making 6 poster board boxes. The boxes have lines on them that we're going to cut around. To begin, cut out around all 6 of your box templates. The dotted lines in the center of the box indicate where you will be folding the boxes later. We will paint on the back of the box because we'll want to know where to fold later. Don't forget to write your name on all 6 of your box pieces. When you start painting, start by painting all 3 of the primary colors first. Remember, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Paint all the way to the edges of each box, and then lay it on a piece of manila paper and take it to the drying rack. After you paint each of the primary colors, then you should begin mixing the primary colors together to make the secondary colors. I'm going to first mix together yellow and blue. Notice how I move some of the blue into a little puddle, and then I wash my brush and then mix in some yellow. Next time you come to class, your boxes will be dry. Let's talk about rainbow order. I'm looking at the prism upside down in the picture, but I can still put my boxes in rainbow order. To remember rainbow order, all you need to say is Roy G. Biv. Now we need to fold the boxes. Remember, the dotted lines mean that's where you fold. You're going to fold all of the big parts first and unfold them as you work. So fold on the dotted line and unfold them. Then you can fold all of the small parts. Those have to be folded also. The little small tabs are where you will be putting glue to get your box to stay together. Make sure that all the small tabs are folded and sticking straight up from the larger parts of the box. We're going to be using hot glue to glue our boxes together. When we use hot glue, we need to remember that the metal part on the end of the glue gun is very, very hot. If you're not comfortable using a hot glue gun or you need some help, please let us know. After your boxes are all folded, the next step will be to hot glue the boxes together in rainbow order. You can experiment with many different ways of gluing your boxes together.